Hey, sexy. We are doing an experiment for Calm 300. We are going to do some various cat calling towards men. We're on South Street, South and 7th. It's November 20th. It's Friday afternoon. And we're going to see how different levels of cat calling, ranging from just a friendly hello to more explicit comments like nice ass, what kind of responses those elicit from men on the street. Hello. How are you? Hey, how's it going? Hello.
How's it going?
How's it going?
You know where AIDS Thrift is?
What is it?
AIDS Thrift.
I think it's, there's a lot of thrift stores that way, but I don't know about that one specifically.
Do you know where the Starbucks is? I know it's right near that.
I do not. I'm sorry.
That's all right.
I think the Starbucks is down that way.
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
It's this way. All right, thanks.
See ya. Hey.
Hi, all right.
Good. Hey. How's it going?
Yeah, you.
Good? Hey. Good? I said good. No.
Wait, I'm just saying, you see two beautiful women, you know you got to stop and congratulate them, though.
Thank you.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all be good. Any trouble? I'm at Fifth and Washington all day. Everybody know Puff, not the one in New York, the one in South Philly.
Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.
Hey, baby. How's it going? Hey, baby. I'm good. How are you? Hey, sexy.
I might have to,
Sorry. I said hey. You're not what?
I said, I didn't even say anything.
Oh, I just said hey.
What's your name?
I'm Laura.
Alexa.
Yeah, we're from Philly. What? Where are we headed?
We're just hanging out here right now.
Yeah. What are you guys up to?
Just got off.
Cool.
Have a great day. Thanks.
You have a number?
No.
You don't have a boyfriend. She was ready to tell me that, wasn't she?
No, I was not.
I don't know.
I wasn't.
You
Thank
too.
You too.
Hey baby, nice ass. Nice ass.
Hey, you guys look sexy today.
Thanks. You
You're welcome. Thank you. Hey, you look sexy today. You're welcome. Damn, you guys look fly as hell.
I appreciate it. Y'all do too as well.
Thank you. Hey, you're really sexy.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Hey, sexy. With the white kicks over there. What's up?
How's it going?
Good. We're fine. Oh no.
Sorry.
What's your name?
My name's Phil.
Hey, Phil. How's it going?
Good.
We're just chilling. What are you up to? Your sneaks are really white.
Yeah, they are.
I just got them.
Like just got them?
Well, I got them off a friend for really cheap, so
That's chill.
yeah. But you know, I'm going to work. I bartend at 5th Street, so if you ladies want to come in,
Oh,
Oh, cool.
get
Where do you
beer.
bartend?
It's Whetstone Tavern on the corner.
Cool.
So if you
Might
want
have to
to
check it
stop
out.
in later or at any time, get your beer.
Oh, thanks.
Okay?
Yeah, nice to
Have a
meet
good
you.
one.